In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy a table from Grok output into Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. This handy skill is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and efficiently move data between tools. We'll tackle this step by step to make sure you have a clear understanding of the entire process. First, let's start by locating the table output within Grok. Once you've found the table you need, the first thing you want to do is highlight it. This ensures that every piece of information within the table is selected and ready to be copied. Make sure to drag your cursor across the entire table until all the data is highlighted. Keep an eye out for any rows or columns you might miss. Next, it's time to copy that data. This can be done with a quick right-click and selecting Copy from the menu that appears, or you can use the handy keyboard shortcut, which is typically Ctrl+C on a Windows machine or Command+C on a Mac. Copying the data copies everything you've selected, making it ready to transfer over to Google Sheets. Now that you've got your data copied, open Google Sheets. If you haven't already, navigate to the spreadsheet you want to work with. It's simple to open a new one by heading to your Google Drive, clicking on New, then selecting Google Sheets. If you're adding to an existing document, just go ahead and open it directly. With Google Sheets open and ready to go, decide where you want the data from Grok to appear. Click the top left cell where you want the table data to begin. This is crucial because the data will paste from this point onwards, both downwards and to the right. So make sure there's plenty of space available for the table to fit without disrupting any existing data, unless that's your intention, of course. Finally, paste your copied table into Google Sheets. You can do this by right-clicking in the selected cell and choosing Paste from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to quickly paste your data. Once this step is complete, your table from Grok should now be perfectly situated within your Google Sheet. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully transferred a table from Grok to Google Sheets, ensuring that you maintain accuracy and efficiency along the way. This process is not only straightforward, but also a great time saver for managing and analyzing data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.